Okay, I'm going to come to the specifics of it, but let's not try and break that up into numbers, and I'm going to come to all of you on that. Feroze, you've heard the theory, and the theory which is being outlined right now is crystal clear theory, and virtually every expert will tell you that. Keep your money for the long term. Don't take risks more than what you can afford. Diversify your portfolio. Put some into this, some into this, some into that. Do it for a long period of time. Don't think you can time the market, because then that becomes gambling more than investment. That's how you really make a lot of money. Anything you'd add to that theory, and then the specifics of it? If you're a retail investor, what sort of an asset allocation should you be doing right now?
Hi, Vikram. I think very importantly, asset allocation, like Radhika and Dhirendra Saab also said, it's very important. But it's also very important for us to see as stakeholders of this industry, what is the current asset allocation of Indian households. Indian households have about 670 lakh crores this year, give or take 5-10% tolerance. And you would be surprised, or I was at least surprised, to see that there was more money in currency, savings accounts and bank account than we have in equity mutual fund. To my mind, the ideal asset allocation is 75%, at least if you have monies greater than 5 years, and several of us do. Secondly, like Dhirendra Saab said, valuations can remain elevated and for really long periods of time. I was very surprised to know that when Nifty was at 10,500, we had the same PEs as we have today, because Nifty is at 19,400, give or take. But the earnings have moved up from 532 to 946, which is what we expect to close this year, and the first 2 quarters have gone beautifully. So don't expect price correction is the only way to get valuations cheaper. Earnings growth also brings down valuation and in turn gives you price movement. So point is, we have a large role to play over the next 10 years. And because the last 10 years, if I looked at 2012 data, 270 lakh crores was the household savings. And that point in time, we had 51% in financial assets. Now it's just 52%. So for all what has been spoken on financialization, we have 1% more.